Hey, what's up guys? Jason Rosell. You're watching Intense Workouts on the Go special edition episode. Each and every day, I keep on getting emails back and forth, comments on YouTube. Hey, I am in pretty good shape, but I don't want to get too bulky. Whether I'm a female, a male, I get it. Believe me, I'm on the same note. I don't even lift weights that much. I'm all about, eating good and just having fun doing it. But I live a very busy life, like a lot of you out there watching. So these are intense workouts on the go. It's not about how long you work out, it's about the quality. For all those advanced people that are working out on a daily basis or just have such a tight schedule but are just looking to tighten up or lean up, this is the way to go. Most of these workouts are 4 exercises, 30 seconds each. Once you complete the 4th exercise, we're gonna go back to the first one and repeat the cycle for another 30 seconds. So essentially 30 seconds for each one, and you go until exhaustion. Fair enough? Let's get started. Our first exercise is called Dumbbell Chest Rows. All you need is a pair of dumbbells. We're gonna be doing this for 30 seconds. So you can do this anywhere, home, living room, backyard, or even at the park like I'm doing right now. You're gonna place your hands on top of each dumbbell, okay? And our first step is we wanna go down, inhale, chest press, and up. Right away, we want to pull back in a row, bring it back to the same spot, and row back, working our back. And now we go back to the chest. A little bit more faster, we inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, down. All right, we want to continue doing this for 30 seconds. You get it? You got it? Here we go. 3, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Our next exercise is bicep squats, working our arms and our quads and our glutes. All you need is a pair of dumbbells. Legs are gonna be a little bit separate, so pay attention to the legs, your feet. All right, so we're gonna go inhale, bring it up, squat down, and back to 1. Again, bicep squat all the way down. Inhale, exhale. Pay attention on the side. I bicep curl in and I squat all the way up. So all that weight and all that pressure landing behind the knees, my butt is burning. Now, you ready? 3, 2, and 1, 2, 3. It's very important to make sure that you twist your bicep because you're getting a forearm workout and a full bicep deep curl going down. I mean, this stuff is intense, guys. It may look easy. I want you to go ahead and try it because I'm burning right now. Keep going. 3, 2, that's 30 seconds. Woo! All right, next exercise is Caliente Climbers, one of my all-time favorite exercises. All you need, again, is your dumbbells. Make sure they're straight parallel right here in front of you, okay? Now, pay attention, because this gets a little tricky, a little bit of coordination. We're working our core a lot. All these exercises that are on the go all these exercises on the go are very intense, so please pay attention to make sure you're doing this right. Place your hands on the actual dumbbells, okay? So we're gonna caliente climb 1, bring the tip of your toes to the end of the actual weight. Bring it back, working our hip flexors and working our glutes. Front again, back, and immediately working our chest. Inhale and up. Now notice, as I'm holding myself up, I'm stabilizing and I'm working my abs, keeping that core super, super tight. All right, check it out, here we go. And Caliente Climbers, 30 seconds. Remember, 1, 2, and chest. 1, 2, and chest. The level of importance when I say a breathing is so important. Remember, you have to do this for 30 seconds. You go as hard as you can. If you need to go slow, back slow. Whether you're a guy, whether you're a girl, whether you're 15 years old or you're 65 years old, you can do this, okay? And bring it chest. All right, next exercise is a shoulder burpee. This one is crazy, building up those shoulders, keeping that core nice and tight. But let me stop talking and let me show you what's it about. We're gonna grab our dumbbells, all right? We're gonna bring them into a triangle. Inhale, exhale. Right as it's coming down, you drop the dumbbells, you jump out into that burpee, come back in, high knees, and repeat. Inhale, exhale, drop, back, burpee. Okay, now watch me from this side. A lot of people get really excited and they want to do it too fast. Proper form, if not, you're gonna get yourself injury. And shoulders in, back, drop it. Shoulders nice and relaxed, bring it down, jump out, jump in, and repeat. That being said, let's get the party started. All right, here we go. 3, 2, remember, 30 seconds. Go. And that was round 1, 30 seconds each. Grab a sip of water. We're gonna do another round of 30 seconds each. Exercise, you go until you go, till you can't go no more. This is Workouts on the Go. Jason Rosell. Follow me on Twitter, Jason Rosell Live. Follow us, Being Fat Sucks. Workouts on the Go. Do it.